Hello, my name is Pranav. I am an employee here at Wire2Air, and today I'll be going over SMS Inbox Rules in our Salesforce application Text Messenger. From the home page, access SMS Inbox Rules. This page allows users to create actions depending upon what kind of messages enter their inbox. Inbox rules are used to automate processing for repetitive types of inbound messages. From the SMS Inbox Rules page, click on New to open the Create Inbox Rules page. Once on this page, the user first sets the sender ID. So for this test account, I only have two numbers, so I can just use 27126. Insert a keyword. So you can either insert a keyword or to make only specific messages have actions, or all messages that enter the inbox can have the same action. So that's up to you. So for now, I'm just gonna do all messages. You can set up the look object. So say a contact messages you, right? It'll look up the phone number, and if a contact messages you, it'll see if a record is found for this contact. If a record is found, you can create a case, opportunity, task, or just no action. So I'm just going to do create case, and if there is no found record of this contact, then you can select create a new contact or lead, or just no action. So do create contact. There's also additional actions such as assign these types of messages to a specific employee. To do that, you can click on the magnifying glass, a new page will open, and you can select users here. Because this is a test account, there's only one user, but for a proper organization, there would be multiple users. You can make an auto response message for any type of inbox message like this. You can put an auto response message so that you don't have to waste time making a new message and sending it to them. You can notify the owner that you assign to here, and put in an email address so that you could forward these messages via email to the owner. So I'm not going to put any of these, but if you just click save, I already have a record like this. So after clicking save, you can go back to inbox rules, and it'll be right here. To edit the inbox rule, you can click on the rule name, or you can also delete it by going all the way to the right and click on delete. Thank you. My name is Pranav, and this was how to use inbox rules on Text Messenger, our Wire2Air's Salesforce application. Thank you.